Good morning, guys. As we know, the markets are now open after an Easter long weekend, and I hope each and every one of you had a great long weekend and have been excited to get started with this trading as I have. It's almost seemed like a bit of a curse that we've had to wait that long just as we start to get trained up. So I'm absolutely excited, but I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, a quick recording, because I know we've got a recording for iPhones about how to use MetaTrader 4 on the phone, and it does look slightly different. So I just thought I would just quickly jump in, try to get my head around it, and I think I sort of do now. So I thought if I'd made this for you guys, for everyone out there that has an Android and the better of the two phones, I might just throw in there, we can go ahead and make sure we all know what we're doing and we're on the same page. So pretty much, guys, this is your MetaTrader 4 app here. All you want to do is go to quotes. Now, let's say I've been following a Euro JPY pattern this morning, and we've decided to go down and make that trade. Pretty much what we want to do is just click on the Euro JPY, the combo that you're after. You want to go new order. Now, what we want to do here is if you're going to do an instant execution, so you want to jump straight in the market, you're going to leave it to instant execution. You're going to set your sell stop. Now on the iPhones, it actually says sell stop, but on the Androids, it doesn't. It's just got the red and the green boxes. So that's the one thing that I've had to try and work out, because it doesn't actually outline clearly what it is. So hopefully that helps you guys. So you want to set your sell stop in here. So this sell stop was 127.945. and a take profit of 126.167. Okay, and then obviously choosing your lot sizes, so you can add or minus here. You can throw in 1 cent, 10 cent lots or $1 lots. But to start with, we'll be conservative and go 30 cent lots. And then, guys, basically all you would do is hit sell, because this is a sell trade, so looking to actually ride the market down. So we'd hit sell there, and you'd be in the market. Now let's say that we wanted to set a pending order. On that computer, it actually says pending order, and I think on the iPhones it actually says pending order, but on the Androids it doesn't. It's a little bit more technical, because the Androids are for smarter people. So pretty much what you want to do here is go a buy or sell limit. So if it's a trade that you're looking to ride down, it's a sell limit. So you're going to set a sell limit, and you're going to put in your price that you're actually going to look to enter the market in. So for example, on this trade, the maximum entry is 127.561, and all I'm doing, guys, is reading that off the harmonic scanner. Basically what we're going to do is set the same sell stop, so that's going to stay the same there where the little cursor is here now, and the take profit is, you can change, or that's the take profit number 1. You know, if you wanted to take that to change profit number 2, whatever what you wanted to do, you could do as well. Once you've done that, you're going to hit place down the very bottom of your screen. Once you've done that, that will actually set the order to be pending. As soon as the market hits your entry point of 127.561, you'll be bang in the market. So guys, I hope that helped a little bit. The other thing you can do is jump over here into your charts. You can pinch and zoom like the iPhone into your trades, so you can actually see there that I've entered instant execution trade a little while ago, and also set a sell pending order for the for what we just spoke about then as well. So then you can go, and sorry guys, my phone's just going nuts here. Then you can go in and see your history after you've made those trades as well. So guys, I hope that helps just a little bit. I just thought I'd quickly make that just because I was looking on YouTube and I couldn't actually see any videos made for the Androids for this app. So hopefully that helps a little bit, guys. And yeah, just the basic things like not being able to see where's what the sell stop is and the take profit, and it's actually just colors. So hope that helps out, guys. Have an amazing day, and hope you all have some successful learnings trading today.